Edexcel GCSE Mathematics, an example of an A grade question. And we're told that in this sector of a circle we have to calculate A, the arc length, so we have to calculate this length here, and B, the area of the sector, so the area of the sector is part B. Now it's just worth making a note that arc lengths are part of the circumference of a circle, so they relate to the circumference. So that's why we've got 2 pi r, which is the formula for the circumference. And it's a fraction of the circumference, and the fraction is found by the angle at the centre divided by 360. It's that simple. So all we have to do now is to sub in the values into the formula, and we should get the answer fairly quickly. So theta is equal to 78, all divided by 360, and we're going to multiply that by 2 pi r. Radius r is 12, 2 times 12 is 24, so multiply by 24 pi. Get the calculator up, and we have 78 divided by 360, all multiplied by 24 pi. And that gives us 26 pi divided by 5. So we can write that in, 26 pi divided by 5. We just go back to the calculator and we'll get that in terms of a decimal number by pressing the FD button, and it's 16.3 to 1 decimal place. So the answer to the length of the arc is 16.3 centimeters, importantly to 1 decimal place. So we found the length of the arc, 16.3 centimeters. Moving on to part B, it's the same fraction because it's the same angle obviously, but this time it refers to the area of a circle. The sector is related to the area, so instead of multiplying by 2 pi r, this time we're multiplying by pi r squared. So again, sub in the values, so we've got 78 divided by 360, and we're going to multiply that by pi r squared. Well, r is 12, 12 squared is 144, so that gives us 144 pi. And again, bring up the calculator, and we can put that in straight away. 78 divided by 360 multiplied by 144 pi gives us an answer of 156 pi divided by 5. So again, we'll write that in, 156 pi divided by 5. And we'll go back to the calculator, press the FD button. What's the decimal equivalent? 98.0 to 1 decimal place. So that gives us 98.0, but this time square centimeters. And again, still important, how many decimal places have we given the answer? 1. Put that in the answer, the final answer too. And there we are. The answer to the area of the sector is 98 centimeters squared.